Hey everybody, if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Let's get into the video. So for this video, I'm going to be talking about the Pola teeth whitening system. It looks like this. We used it for about a good week consistently, but we kind of fell off after that. So I'm just going to talk about the first week that I used it. And we did see results. It was crazy. As I'm talking, I'll show you the little clips that I made throughout the little journey that I had with it. The first time I used it, I put a little bit too much on. So it was like white right there in the front part. It didn't feel good. It was sensitive. I felt it burning though as I had the things on, but I was like, it's okay. I could deal with it, whatever. But when I took it off, I seen that the color of my gums has changed. It had turned white, but I was just like, oh, it's okay. I'll go back to normal. And it did. It only took a good maybe 10 minutes before it started getting its color back to pink. So that wasn't too bad. After that, I just started to make sure I wasn't putting too much on. That worked out great, and that was the only time I ever had sensitivity on my teeth, so that's amazing. Same thing with my partner. That didn't ever happen to him. The last time we used it, it did happen to him on the bottom of his teeth. I'm not sure if it was the top and the bottom. I have to ask him, but it did happen to him and he kept it on. That was the only time he had that problem. He wanted to take a little break from it after that because he just didn't want to mess up his gums or anything. I put a little bit too much on it that time, so oh, my bad. Sorry, babe. I think the first couple times we had it on for 20 minutes, and after that we left it on for a good 30 minutes because it said it was okay to. I'm not sure exact amount. I believe it was 30 minutes that we kept it on for because it said we're able to. It did work, and we were only doing the top layer of our teeth so we could see the difference between our teeth to make sure it was working. And let me just tell you, there was a huge difference, and I'm sure you could see from the video that it was noticeable. So it was actually working, and I'm actually happy about that. And then I started doing it for the bottom of my teeth, and then I seen it get a little lighter, and then I stopped. Only did it twice, and there was a difference. Like if you look back at my other videos, you could tell that the top was a little whiter than the bottom because I was doing that little experiment, but you don't have to go back and try to look at that. But yes, there was a difference. I haven't used it in a good couple of weeks though. I noticed, because I do drink coffee every day, I noticed it's not as white as it was when I was using it, so that kind of sucks. I think I just have to touch up once a week or something just to make sure it stays looking good. But yeah, I need to do it again on my bottom of my teeth so that they match a little bit more. They are closer in the color now that I did it twice for my bottom teeth. This stuff really works. My fiance got it for his teeth when he went to the dentist, and he was like, there's enough for both of us to try it. So, and we still have some left over. We just kind of fell off on using it. But it actually works, y'all, and I love it. So after this, you know, I might have him go back and get some more, you know, just to make sure that our teeth are looking good. Because, you know, you gotta love your smile. When you smile, you know, you feel more confident if your teeth are white, right? So yeah. But anyways, I just wanted to let you know if it worked or not, because I was documenting that and I had it in my vlog. So there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If it was beneficial for you, let me know. If you plan on using it, or if you have used it, let me know your experience with it. If you made a video on there or whatever, let me know. I'll go check it out. But yeah, I hope this video helps anybody that is curious about this product. I don't see too much about it. I looked it up once and I seen a few videos, and I was like, maybe I should just do a video on it since we're gonna be doing it, you know. So here y'all go. I hope it's somebody out there. And yeah, have a wonderful day, everybody. Ignore my hair. It's in a bun, but since it's short, it's kind of like falling apart or whatever. But I just doing my hair down. I just wanted to be relaxed and whatever, look pretty. I'm getting better at doing my makeup, y'all. This is not the video for it. Sorry. Okay, anyways. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go check out my other videos if you're interested. And yeah, leave a comment. Let me know anything you guys would like to see me do. I could do them for you. Anything you want me to try. Anything, just anything. Yeah, let me know. I talk to you guys back, okay? I always reply. Thanks again for watching this video, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye. Loving the teeth though. Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, please subscribe to I'm saying it all kind of. Hey everybody, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, hit the subscribe button. Let me start it over. Oh my god, what the heck is going on today? Okay, hold on. So for this video, I'm going to be talking, hold on. So this, the fuck. Using it, I could, ooh, it's blurry, fuck's sake. Ugh. Oh, fuck. Consistency, consistently, fuck. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button.